Hello, in front of me I've got RedThunder keyboard. In this video we'll check if this keyboard is mechanical. According to device description, RedThunder keyboards are classical membrane keyboards. The RedThunder wireless chargeable keyboard and mouse combo set uses membrane keys rather than true mechanical switches. While it is designed with high-profile look and tactile feel to mimic the style of mechanical gaming keyboards, it uses rubber domes underneath the key rather than individual mechanical switches. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.